It was a sunny day on the Isle of Sodor. Peppa Pig was standing next to some colourful track. It looks like she's waiting for someone. Soon, Thomas appeared next to her. "Hello, Peppa," said Thomas. "Are you looking for something?" he asked. "I'm waiting for Ember Flicker Flame. I'm going to ride her new train with her," said Peppa. "That sounds like fun," said Thomas. "I should be able to hear her coming," smiled Peppa. Suddenly, music could be heard in the distance. "Yay, she's here," smiled Peppa excitedly. "Hello, Peppa. Sorry I'm late," said Ember. "What are you waiting for? Climb in." Here we go. But the train would not stop. "Oh no!" exclaimed Ember. "What are we going to do?" "I know," said Peppa. "We could call Grandad Dog. He's a mechanic. He'll be able to fix it." "I'll go and get him," said Thomas, and chuffed away. Soon, Grandad Dog arrived and got out of his pickup truck, had a look at the engine. "Ah, common problem. You ran out of battery. Luckily, I've got a spare one in my truck." And Grandad Dog got the spare battery. There you go. It should work now. "Thank you," Ember and Peppa said together, and off they went. And they both enjoyed a fun train ride. Thanks for watching our story. To see more, please click on any of these clips, and if you haven't already subscribed, go on, why not do so now? See you soon!